everyone, welcome to a video on how to replace the battery on a Mercedes key fob. So what you do, you need to get the cover off on the reverse side, the plain side. In order to do so, you just slide this grey bit here to get the spare key out, and then in this hole here, what you do, you just take the spare key and press it in gently, and it should pop the cover off like so. As you can see, that's come off, and just pick that up and it's come off there, and there's the slot there. That's what you were, I hope you can see there. Can you see that little slot there? Yeah, you're just pressing against that to get it open. And then the battery itself is a CR2025 battery, and literally you just take that out, just gently pry it out. I'm just going to use this little implement I've got. Oh, there you go, and just shake out. Doesn't want to come out. There you are. That's out, and then get the replacement. So there you go, CR2025 lithium battery. So always on this one, you put the negative facing down. You can't get it wrong really, because the positive has, on the maker's bit, there's a positive sign on there, so you can't get that wrong. So you just put it in that way first, and then it should just clip in, and then it's the reverse, so you push that back on there, and then you just place the spare key back, and you're done. Job's a good one. Hope you like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye.